Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Dollar Tree DIY that can be used as a vase or as I used it as a utensil holder. Alright guys, first I want to start by showing you this new glue gun found on Amazon. It is a very nice glue gun. This was my first time using it for this project and I'm very pleased. So as you see, it's a nice size. It has two settings and an off switch. It's all in one switch, so you can go down to a higher temperature or up to a lower temperature, and the middle is the off switch. Also, it comes with a power cord and a pack of glue sticks, a large pack of glue sticks. And also in the package, it comes with finger protectors. So it helps when you're doing those projects, especially working with smaller items and you don't want to burn your fingers on the hot glue. Okay, let's get started. So first you'll need a pack of Jenga blocks. These are mini Jenga blocks found at Dollar Tree. And I use one pack, but you may need two. And then you'll also need to brew a pot of coffee. I brewed the coffee and poured it right over the Jenga blocks. You can put it in a bowl or some type of plastic container. And then stir it all up to make sure that all of your blocks are covered and getting soaked in the coffee. This is to stain the blocks just to make it a darker color. You can use the blocks as is, but I prefer to stain them. So I soaked them all in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and then I let them dry on a rack overnight. And here's the finished result. Next, you'll need a glass vase, also found at Dollar Tree, and then you'll start to stack your blocks and glue them. So I did one layer at a time. I just stacked it where I wanted them to be and then start gluing them on. Here's the finished result. I think it turned out great. For the purpose of my use, the blocks don't go all the way to the top of the vase, but if you're using it as a decorative vase, then you'll definitely need 2 boxes of the Jenga blocks so that it'll go all the way to the top of your vase. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.